been doing this record store thing for somewhere around 7 to 8 years, and we having a great time. We got vinyl right here in the middle, so make sure you check out the vinyl. We got record store named exclusives. We got other vinyl in the store. We got CDs, mix CDs, other kind of CDs. We got hip hop over here. We got R&B soul over here as well. We got old school jazz back there. We got shades. We got jewelry. We got essential oils, incense. Anything you need, we got it right here at Movie Studio. So come check us out. 1131 Euclid Avenue, right here in Little 5 Points and ATL, baby. Ow!
So it's the weekend and we have decided to visit Moods Record. I always encourage folks, work hard during the week, but on the weekend, or sometime during the week, give yourself a little time to have some fun. Please subscribe if you like the vibe and hit the notification button also. Every community has a store like Moods. It's the community store. It's the store where, you know, they sell things that the community needs. We have old vinyl here. We have CDs. They sell incense, everything. And, you know, it's a place for a lot of people in the community to just come. A lot of people come to just chill out. I would imagine there are some people who came who didn't really buy a lot of things at Moods, but they come there to chill out regardless, because it is the place where people come and gather. No respect, brother. They got vintage records here. This is Moods Records. They got vintage records, vinyl, CDs. They can sell wine. It's basically a cultural center and a store at the same time. They sell my t-shirts here. Very cool people here. Very nice. So this is a Saturday at Moods Records in Atlanta. The bookstore, the record store, it's all kind of things. And today, they're having something in the backyard. Sing it down, sing it down. Gonna be a brighter day. I'll say, gonna be a brighter day. Gonna be a brighter day. And the food was amazing. Really good food. How could it be that our sun refused to shine? I never seen another day like this before. Darkness rises to cover up what took so long to grow. What's the name of your business?
Amherst Tacos.
Amherst Tacos.
Yes.
What kind of tacos do you sell?
Well, we sell them all, but it's a Miami Southern fusion. So tacos.
Interesting. How do people get in touch with you?
You can follow us on our Instagram at Amherst Tacos, AMOROUS Tacos.
Got you, got you. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hey, my dear, could you tell us about your store, what you sell?
So, right here, we have natural drinks. Lemon celery, good for your blood.
Okay.
Then we have coral, we have beets, elderberry, good for your immune system. And we have natural carbonated drinks right here at the bottom.
And you call Earth Tone Drinks. God bless you, sister. Trinidad. Hey, brother, you want to tell us about your business?
Yes, I'm Stackers Coffee. We're out of Roswell, Georgia. We came locally here just to spend time with the local folks and celebrate regular store music day today. Right now we have the mocha, we have the lattes, we have the cappuccinos. You can get that with milk, or you can get that with oat. You can get that iced or hot. We have the peach matcha, and we have the lavender lemonade.
Got you.
It's gonna be hot, so you might need either one of those. So
got you. So that's facts. Do you mind if I take a look at the information? Is this your information?
No.
Oh, okay. So this is your information.
I'm sure. But that's it right there.
Okay.
And we got the Stackers over here.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
How much are they?
I'm sorry?
How much are the juice?
Those I believe $4.
$4?
Yes.
I'll be coming back for one, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'll be here for you, man.
God bless you.
Okay,
God bless you. Hey, sister, can you tell us about your business, your cups?
Sure. This is a customizable mug business called Mantra Mug.
Okay.
Go on a website and create a mug specifically for you.
Okay. Mantra mug.
Yes.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And of course, we have another. And this is our store on a Saturday. Hey ladies, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Not bad, not bad. Can you tell us about your store and your wares?
Well, my name is Kina Sage.
Good to meet you.
Hi, my name is Kina Sage, and this is Chronicle line, which is mine, created by me, cauliflower, exotic oils, and essentials. So it started off as just high-grade fragrance oils, but I slowly expanded from high-grade fragrance to very body, and then also into infused and essential.
And this is the name?
Yes, that's the name.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Cowrie shells are rare.
Got you.
Especially the time when I created it, I wore curry. Well, I own flowers and curry shells all the time, and I love sunflowers. So that's how the name came about.
That is a nice name.
Thank you.
That's what we want.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for the vibe, and thank you for your creation.
Away from the junk. Get away from that. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna like pan.
You can dance whatever you want to dance, man. It is first started in 2010. We are here at Blues Music at the 31 Euclid Avenue. Having an amazing time here on 420. We hope you had an amazing time as well. We got DJ Rock Series still rocking the 1 and 2. Y'all make some noise for DJ Rock Series.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we had another amazing day. This day is at Moods Music in Atlanta. This is another Saturday over here. People come by, chill out. They have a DJ, some good food, good people. So like I always say, if you got nothing else better to do on any day of the week, just come by and chill out at Moods Music or any other place. There's always something going on. So each one, reach one, connect, reflect. Thank you, darling.
That's my dog.
Dr. Dre.
That's my homegirl.
Who's that?
Reese.
Reese.
That's my dog.
Oh shoot, I gotta check her out.
My dog.
Is she modern or is she older? Reese, how long ago is she out?
Like early 2000s.
Ah. Yeah, they got a lot of different CDs, they got scents, perfumes, they got everything here. Vinyl, this is like one of the best vinyl stores in Atlanta right now. Also, just a good space to come and hang out. Good people, a lot of smiles.
Come on, let's go now. Here we go. Let's go, y'all.
Hold it again. Like, imagine you're from like a small place, right? And then you come to like Atlanta or Brooklyn and you see all these beautiful people. Like, imagine you're from like, I don't know, like a small town in Virginia or, I don't know, upstate New York, right? And then you come to a place like this and there's so many interesting people, so many cool people who got so much vibes, you know?
That's exactly it.
We hope you had a good time here at Record Store Day 2024. My name is Soul Food Day. It's been my pleasure to host this wonderful event the entire day. You can find me online at Soul Food Day, SOULCOOLJAY. You can follow Moon's Music at MOODMUSIC on all platforms. Be on the lookout for when Craig's ATL is open. It will be opening this fall in South Downtown Atlanta. There's a new development they got going on.